Technical Education, or CTE, provides rigorous and applicable courses preparing students for high-demand, high-skill, and high-wage careers. Flour Bluff ISD seeks to provide students with career learning opportunities prior to graduation, as well as recognize staff and student achievements. Students are exposed to content that is aligned with academic standards and relevant technical knowledge and skills that are needed to prepare students for emerging professions. Flour Bluff ISD is eager to work with local business establishments to promote work-related and job shadowing opportunities. FBISD is dedicated to supporting innovative CTE programs that empower students to succeed.